In today's video, I will walk you through Duolingo, how to reset or restart course. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you want to restart your progress in a Duolingo language course, there are a few important things to know before getting started. This process cannot be done inside the Duolingo mobile app. You need to use the web version of Duolingo in a browser instead. You can access it by visiting Duolingo on your computer or mobile browser. Once you're on the website, go ahead and sign into your account. If you are not already logged in, tap the option that says I already have an account, and then enter your login details to access your Duolingo profile. After signing in, you will need to open a specific settings page in Duolingo. Hover to More tab, then click Settings, go to Courses. This will take you directly to the Language Reset section of your account settings. When the page loads, you'll see the languages connected to your account and the option to reset your progress. Before continuing, keep in mind that resetting a language cannot be undone. Once the course is reset, all of your progress in that language will be erased and returned to the beginning of the course. If you are sure you want to continue, find the language you want to restart and tap the reset option beside it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you are certain you want to reset the course. Tap Reset again to confirm. After that, your progress for that language will immediately be removed and the course will return to its starting point. If you are learning multiple languages on Duolingo, you may also notice that there is an option to delete languages from this same page. However, if you only have one language on your account, Duolingo will not allow you to delete it completely. Once the reset is finished, you can open the Duolingo app again on your phone or tablet. You'll see that your previous progress is gone, and you'll now have the option to either start from scratch or choose the option to find your level. From there, you can begin the course again and work through the lessons from the beginning. And that's how to reset or restart a language course on Duolingo.